So here's how to use various fonts on Canva. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end so you don't miss any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Canva account. Now here you have to select any template or any design. Now you have to make changes on it. To make changes on it, you have to click on the design you have selected. After that, here you have to click on the text to make change on it. Once you click on the text, now here you have to go to the bottom menu. From here you have to click on the fonts. Now as you can see, Canva gives you a bunch of fonts. You can select any one of these. These fonts are available to use for free. If you are the one who is always designing and creating something unique, then you must try the Canva. Canva has a lot of templates and it also features a lot of fonts. In Canva, there is almost each font available. You can use them and you can also upload your own fonts on Canva. Once you have selected the font for your design, now you have to adjust it or resize it. Canva also offers to add colors or designs to your text. So this is how to use various fonts on Canva.